Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting inside Instagram. Open the app and go straight to your profile by tapping the bottom right icon. Once there, tap the three-line menu at the top right to access settings quickly. You want to be in the right place before changing live activity. This gets you into the app controls where privacy and notifications live. Make sure the app is updated for consistent options, then continue into settings to find the relevant privacy controls. From the menu, tap Settings and then Notifications so you can control what sends alerts. Once inside Notifications, find the Live or Live Activity section, sometimes nested under Posts, Stories, and Comments, or a dedicated Live category. Tap it to open the specific controls that manage live stream alerts. You're doing this because live activity generates persistent alerts. Adjusting it here stops those interruptions. Turn the live activity or live notifications toggle off to stop the persistent live stream updates. Once done, close and reopen Instagram so the change takes effect immediately across iOS or Android. If you don't see the toggle, make sure the app is updated. If problems persist, sign out and back in or reinstall the app to refresh settings. As a final tip, check your device-level notification settings to ensure nothing there overrides Instagram's in-app controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.